Good afternoon and welcome to Uganda. This is Mr. Stanley's Science Masterclass. I'm here on the roadside close to Kasese and I'm about 80 metres away from the equator. So this afternoon's exciting experiment is to look at the way that water disappears in different hemispheres. So at the moment we're in the southern hemisphere. I have my glamorous assistant Amy here and she's holding the funnel. And what we're going to do is to pour some water into the funnel. We're going to put a few blades of grass and watch which way it rotates, the water goes down. Okay, if my cameraman would like to come and focus in, please. So if we fill it up like so, put it in, watch this. As you can see, it's rotating in an anti-clockwise direction. And here I am on the equator itself. You can tell it's the equator because it says the equator and we're in Uganda. So right on the equator itself, let's see what happens. Up it fills, right to the very top. Let's put our blade of grass in. Ooh, it's not really sure which way to go. It's hasn't really rotated at all apart from the first bit. Isn't that strange?
It's pretty cool.
We are now about 80 metres north of the equator. So once again we're going to fill up our funnel. Right to the very top and put in the blade of grass and off we go. Thinking about it, oh, it's starting to move round now in a clockwise direction. So now we've had a look at 3 different experiments. So south of the equator, north of the equator and on the equator itself. And you children who are sitting in assembly and are amazed and fascinated by all this detail, if you'd now like to talk to each other for 30 seconds, I'd like you to come back to me and explain why this process has happened.